my channel. I'm KAVIARKEZ. I hope you guys are all doing well. Today we are doing a part 2 to the Temu haul, like this massive haul that I got, and I'm actually installing the wig. So this is the wig that I got from Temu, which is today's sponsor. So definitely check out Temu if you haven't done so already. They have affordable items. They're an online marketplace where you can find pretty much anything, you guys, from fashion, home decor, kitchen, pet supplies, health and beauty, and wigs, hair, like literally everything. And for an affordable price, they have like up to 90% off and free shipping and returns. You can also do AfterPay. If you don't got the coins right now and you want to pay later, you can do that as well. One thing I really like about Temu is you get all of your items in like one package. You'll get a really big package like this and it fits everything. This is how she looks, but we're gonna pass. Today we're gonna be installing a human hair wig, but this is also a wig from Temu. I'm actually surprised at this synthetic wig because I thought it was gonna look crazy, but I could definitely see it looking not half bad. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway on this synthetic wigs. If you are interested in this wig, pay attention and wait for the end of the video. I have a 30% off code for you if you want to purchase any of these items. I'm gonna link that in the description box for you as well. This lace is very thick, like it's probably the thickest lace I've ever seen. Different planets, watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling. Most of the items I'm using you can actually get from Temu, like the spray bottle. This is the best we can come up with for this. This wig is definitely testing my abilities. Okay, so I'm noticing it's not all the same length. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Really deep parting space, so you can part it pretty much anywhere, and that is pretty impressive. There's a lot of flyaways there. What's up with that? There's a lot of flyaways, like can we see that? It's not ideal. That's a bit more than I would expect. Like longer there, I'm not sure why that is. Okay, so what I would like to do is bump the ends a bit.
at home. I wanna know, can we trust this that's about to let us know? I had to go.
Seal it in. Okay guys, there we have it. Installed a Temu wig. Definitely it can be done. Let me know what you think. When we're talking about this wig. This wig is definitely a handful. The lace is very thick, and the lace is this like weird brown yellow color on your cheap wigs. This is the type of lace that you'll find, but the hair itself is pretty good. There were a lot of flyaways on this wig, and it kind of made me feel some type of way. The length is kind of just all over the place. It looks like it wants to be a layered wig, so I kind of styled it that way. And even with the tint, it sort of just made the lace even darker, which is weird because usually the tint makes the wig actually blend with my skin tone. I had to put a lot of baby hairs, you guys, but the bottom line is, can you buy a wig from Temu and wear it? Yes, you can, because as you can see, this is a Temu wig, and believe me, they didn't send me anything special when it comes to this wig. It's a cheap wig. If you want to try a cheap wig from Temu, then check them out. Now, would I personally buy this wig again? No, I wouldn't. There were just too many things for me that made it like kind of like no. It looks like a very natural hairstyle. Like the lace color, the thickness of the lace, the flyaways, the length, how it was kind of not proportioned. For me, those are things that are major factors. It bounces, it sways, like it is decent, but it's just not for me, you guys. It's just not for me. If this wig is for you and you want to purchase it, I'm gonna link it in the description box, and along with some of the items that I use, like the combs and brushes. Oh, you know what I just thought of? I got this little long eyeliner, and I was thinking, you know, when you over bleach, you could just use this to correct. Oh yeah, that is bomb.com. Why didn't I think of that sooner? Look at that. Just go in, and then your part is cleaned up because it has a little pointed tip. Also got this from Temu. So yeah, they have some really good finds, and you can use a lot of these products for hair as well. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be doing a giveaway for this wig and a few other items like the bundle hairs. I'm gonna be doing a giveaway on some of these bundles and also this wig as well. So if you guys are interested in that, go look in the description box because the rules are gonna be there. Don't forget to download Temu because this wig might not be for you, but they have a lot of things on there for an affordable price, and you could save 30% off. Anyways, guys, thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you found it entertaining. If you have any questions for me, leave it in the comment section below, and I'll catch you guys later in another video. Bye.